Hi everyone, this is Ani and I'm going to show you how to change Chrome's language. It's really simple, let's go. You're going to click here on these three dots. Go ahead and click. After clicking, scroll down. You can scroll down and come to this option, Settings. Click on this option and you'll be redirected. Notice that here in this side menu, you'll find the Languages option. Click on this option. Here you can change Chrome's language. As you can see here, Chrome's language is set to English on my computer. Click Add a Language. Here you'll choose the language, okay? There's a list for you to select the language you want to set as Chrome's language. Chrome, I'm going to click here. I'm going to search for Spanish. I searched and the list already appears here, okay? I'm going to click on this first option and then click here to add it. Done. Spanish now appears in the list, so what do you do next? You click on the three dots next to it, go ahead and click, and then select this option to display Chrome in that language. Click it. As you can see, Spanish is now the first option, but you need to restart Chrome to actually change the language. So you'll see the word to restart appear next to it. Just click it. Chrome will close and reopen, and that's it. As you can see now, my Google Chrome here is in Spanish, all right? So that's how you change the language in Chrome. I hope this helped. If it did, don't forget to help me out too. Subscribe to the channel.